Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming model and lamp age, so you know expected brightness and service needs. Plug into a grounded outlet and power on the unit. You should hear the fan and see the TI DLP logo. Once done, connect your laptop or media player with HDMI or VGA and choose that input from the remote or panel. Make sure to leave 15 to 30 cm clearance for ventilation. This prevents overheating and preserves lamp life. With the image visible, correct geometry first. Use keystone to fix trapezoid distortion, then adjust zoom to fill the screen. You focus with the manual ring until text edges are crisp. From there, tweak brightness and contrast to balance black levels and highlights. If battery or lamp life matters, enable Eco or Lamp Saver mode to reduce output. For color accuracy, open menu, go to image settings, then adjust color temperature and gamma. This refines skin tones and shadow detail for a professional-looking picture. Finalize by saving your configuration as a user preset so you can recall it quickly. Test the speaker and remote to confirm control. Once projection looks correct, inspect the lamp and air filter, clean or replace filters, and swap the lamp if the image is dim or flickering. If you lose image, first cycle inputs and receipt cables, then reboot both projector and source. One key troubleshooting tip: if the projector overheats, power down. Cool for 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.